Hello, here's a video of this 2022 Minka Aire 44-inch light wave ceiling fan in the coal finish. This is installed at my friend's house, and I just installed this fan. And here's the remote. It's a Minka Aire air control as standard on all Minka models. And we will start with the light. Right now it's super dim, but I can turn it up. It's a 16-watt LED module, and it's actually really bright. I think it's around 1300 lumens, so it's pretty bright. And we will start the fan on low speed. It uses a 153 by 17 motor, so it's not that big, but for a 44-inch fan, it's pretty good. Now medium speed. I like the look of these fans a lot, but Fanimation's wrap looks much nicer than these. But that's also, I think, a lot more expensive. That one also has a 31-speed DC motor, and this has a 3-speed AC motor. Moves a pretty good amount of air. And now off, putting the remote back into its cradle. Spin down, I think, should be pretty fast because of how steep these blades are pitched. There's the box. Light Wave. I originally wanted to put a Fanimation quad in here, but his parents wanted a 3-blade fan. Like, how boring is that? So I went with this fan. And now there it is. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.